Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to be delete the password on Chrome for Android. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Chrome application here that have been installed. After that, you can click the three dots in the upper of the corner. You can click history. Next, you click the clear browsing data and go to the advanced. And you can see there is 6 choice to be chosen. And if you want to clear about the password on Chrome, you can click the save password here. Check up. You can see the 10 password here to be saved and clear data. Okay, let's check. The save password is known. It means it's no more save password in your Chrome application. Okay, this is a story or this tutorial how to be delete save password on Chrome for Android. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.